So if someone comes to Vrindavan and takes shelter of Karunamayi Radha Ashraya, Braja Ashraya, then he has all the compassion and blessings of Radharani with him or her, and all the affection and kindness and nourishment, protection, and palana of Gopal, the Bhaktivatsal Gopaladev. Gopaladev ki jai. So who has any intelligence would not do bhajan in Vrindavan? Even if Maya comes and catches me in Vrindavan, but all those days where Maya didn't catch me, I get 1,000 times benefit. Maybe I go for 10,000 days and no Maya, so 10,000 times so many rounds I chanted every day, times 1,000, that's how much benefit I got. That's how much purification I got. Maya may come to you in Vrindavan and you may fall, but whatever you did, you got 1,000 times more credit. So you won't, if you're outside of Vrindavan, you only get 1 credit. So you maybe fell, but you made already 50 years more advancement than you would have made staying in Delhi, where you also eventually fell down also. You follow? You understand the logic? So it's like gambling, you know. You put high money, you can win, or you can lose. But in Braj, it's high stakes, but you win. You win 1,000 every time you throw. Every time you throw your dice or whatever, your cards, you win 1,000 points. So that builds up. Okay, I fell. Okay, somebody robbed me. I lost 10,000 bucks, but I had 1 million. And the guy in Delhi, he fell, but he only had 20,000. He got robbed for 10,000. So he only has 10,000 left because he didn't amass so much fortune by doing bhajan in Delhi. This is the power, the potency, the prabhav, the influence of Braj Bhajan. It's not an ordinary place. It's totally transcendental. The Chintamani Bhumi, Brajaduli, Brajaraj. There's thousands of Brajbhasha poems and Hindi's bhajans and songs glorifying the dust, the Raj, the Renu of Braj. Uddhava, Shiva, Brahma, Indra, they want to be a particle of dust in the holy Dhamma Braj. Kan kan bole, Vrindavan mein kan kan bole, Shri Radhe Radhe. Kan kan bole, every single pebble is chanting Radhe, 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 Radhe. We're stepping on Radha because on the ground is the pebbles and they're chanting. They're saying, oh, don't step on me so hard. Why are you wearing shoes? Wear bare feet, they're softer. Do you ever think that the ground maybe speaks? The ground is conscious. This is Chintamani Bhumi. What does that mean? Bhumi means earth, land, soil, miti. And Chinta means alive. Chinta means thinking. Thinking means life. Chintamani, it's a jewel, thought gems. So this land is alive. The trees speak. The dogs speak. The birds speak. The sadhus speak. The babajis speak. The sannyasis speak. The brijvasis speak. The water speaks. It's told in that song. Jamuna bi ki laheri, laheri bole shi radhar. Laheri means taranga. Taranga means waves. The waves in the Yamuna are speaking. What are they saying? Radhe, 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 Radhe. So that means the water is speaking. The earth is speaking. So when you walk on the earth with your heavy, big 25,000 rupee track shoes, which are so comfortable to you and so nice, then the earth of Vrindavan is saying, ow, it hurts so much. I'm a person, and you're stepping on me with these rubber shoes, or what to speak of, leather shoes. It hurts. Why don't you wear bare feet? Would you rather someone touch you with their hand or with their shoe? Hand. So Mother Bhumi, we say Mother Bhumi. You've heard this term, Mother Bhumi? Would your mother like it if you rubbed her back with a pair of shoes? I don't think so. It'd be the most offensive, degraded, sinful activity you could ever even engage in. But if you lovingly rub your old ailing mother's back with your loving son, the hands of the loving son, a little oil and whatever, and to ease her back pain or whatever, and that's a great expression of love. So when we walk around Vrindavan, we go barefoot because it's an expression of our love. to Brajabhumi, to Brajadham. Your feet will come or go. You'll die, your feet will die, your skin will burn in the flames of the Shamshan. Why not be nice to Mother Bhumi? So this land is, if you're talking about living in Vrindavan, and you're not living in Vrindavan, don't talk, just live. You're saying, oh, Vrindavan, living in Vrindavan, just don't talk about it, just live here. Just do it. And then see what happens. If you have taken Diksha from Guru, then you should take the blessings of Guru to engage in the Brajavas.